Hello. Ready? Ready, everyone? Online? Are you ready, everyone? Okay, shall we start now? Okay, revision means what we will do here, question answer discussion with the concept wherever required the question requires, that time we will discuss. Okay, like those chapters are here, what real number and polynomials, linear equation, we will start one by one, starting from real number. We will start from where? Real number, right? Now tell me, in real number basically how many concepts are there? How many concepts are there? Starting from FTA. FTA क्या? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. You see that side. Okay, FTA मतलब fundamental theorem of arithmetic. And as per the theorem, you know every composite number can be expressed product of prime which is unique, right? Then after second one is what about HCF and LCM. HCF क्या है? If highest common factor, but that is what? We are taking product of all common prime having lowest power. While discussing question, I will discuss with you, right? What is that briefly? Just you remember HCF matlab highest common factor having highest common prime. Now product of all common prime having highest having which power? Least power. Understand? Product of, like for 12 and 18 if we'll discuss, right? 12 क्या है? 2 square into 3, right? 18 क्या है? 3 square into 2, right? So HCF क्या है? HCF is what? HCF is that product of all common prime. Common prime कौन है? 2 is there and 3 is there with least power. With least power. 1 here, 1. Got it? And LCM क्या है? Product of all prime. Product of all prime having highest power. Highest power means your 2 square into 3 square. Bus, that is. This is all about what? HCF, LCM. Then after here it is coming irrationality. Proof of irrationality we will discuss through question, right? Let us come to the question, right? Everyone, see the first question. Question visible? Everyone, answer me फटाफट. Answer दे दो. Check करो, if two positive integer and b written as a written as what? X into y square. X क्या है? A क्या है? X into y square. B क्या है? X cube into y cube. Is that clear? This is A value, B value. Where X and Y are the prime numbers. These are the prime numbers. Then the result of 10 Okay, everyone. Now check karo. Check karo everyone. So A is equals to what? A equals to what? This is given B. Both are prime number. Which two are prime? X is prime, Y is prime. Okay, then the result often by dividing the product of the positive integer by LCM of AB. LCM of AB is how much? AB रो LCM कौन है? एबे कहली LCM क्या है? LCM is product of all prime. Prime क्या है? X is a prime, Y is a prime, having highest power. X highest power कौन? 3. And what is Y's highest power? 3. So therefore LCM of AB is XQ into YQ. But question कौन पूछा? Then the result obtained by dividing the product of positive integer by LCM. Positive integer क्या है? AB. Means question is asking find AB divided by LCM of AB. Understood? AB क्या है? AB क्या है? बोलो. X into x cube or xy square into x cube y cube by how much? LCM. X cube into y cube. X cube into y cube. So therefore x cube y cube cancel. So what is left? X y square. Is that clear? Is that clear? Any doubt? Which one is the answer? Which one? B. Clear? Everyone. So though it is a what? Easy question but somehow tricky. I hope everybody clear, right? Everyone? ठीक है? चलो लिख दो आंसर. No need to write the question, only answer लिख दो. Okay? फटाफट लिखो. फटाफट immediately. Anjali, are you clear? Right? Prabhu? Soumya? Okay, moving to the next question. ठीक है. Yeah. Are you clear? With the silent. Huh? Very good. So let us check. Let us check to the next question. So 30 questions are there we have to discuss. That's why I have studied for 2 hours. So it will exceeds, might be time exceeds to 9:30. Okay? ठीक है? Over? ठीक है? चलो, next question. If n is a natural number, then 25 to the power n minus 9 to the power n is always divisible by which one? Is always divisible by which one? Tell me. If n is a natural number, then 25 to the power n minus 9 to the power n always divisible by which one? Whether by 16, yeah, by what? 34, both or none of these. What are you thinking? Tell me. Check karo. Fatafat. Answer. N is a natural number. Why? What is online? Bolo. 25 to the power n मतलब क्या है? 5, 5 to the power 2n minus, this is what is that? 3 to the power 2n is always divisible by which one? Whether by 16, 34 and 16, 34, which one? Is there any common? So when you can say this is divisible, if they will have any common, is there any common? Is there any common? Tell me. Is there any common? So therefore it is not divisible. None of this. Clear? Understood? Okay. Because there is no common factor. So therefore it is none of this. Online clear? Okay. ठीक. Are you clear why? Because while writing, if they will have any common, then it can be divisible by that number. So there is no common. Okay. Chalo. Next question. Are you ready for the next question? Tell me next question. Okay. Now this question, tell me. 1, 2, 4, 5 is a factor of the number P and Q. Which of the following is always have a factor 1, 2, 4, 5 as a factor? Question देखो ध्यान से. Are you able to understand question? Question clear? Question is given 1, 2, 4, 5 is a factor of P and Q. Means 1, 2, 4, 5 is a what? Common factor of whose? P and Q. Though it is a factor of both, so 1, 2, 4, 5 is a common factor. Okay. Which of the following is always have 1, 2, 4, 5 as a factor? Now check karo P plus Q is how much? P plus Q can be written as now what? Check karo. P and Q, these two's factor kaun hai? What is the factor? 1, 2, 4, 5. Are you clear? This is a factor of P as well as Q. Therefore, bachcho, P can be written as na 1, 2, 4, 5 into M something. Right? And Q also can be written as 1, 2, 4, 5 into M. So P plus Q is how much? P plus Q is how much? 1, 2, 4, 5 into M plus 1, 2, 4, 5 into M. Therefore, 1, 2, 4, 5 is what common? M plus N is left, right? So, is P plus Q divisible by 1245? Why not? P plus Q is not divisible. Means it is not a factor of P plus Q. Yes? Check karo. So question is asking which of the following will always have 1, 2, 4, 5 as a factor? P plus Q, though multiple of 1245, therefore P plus Q is a factor of, 1, 2, 4, 5 is a factor of P plus Q. Clear everyone? Online? समझ में आया कि नहीं बोलो? ठीक? Okay. P into Q. P into Q क्या है? P into Q क्या है? बोलो. P into Q. P into Q means 1, 2, 4, 5 into M into 1, 2, 4, 5 into N. So therefore P into Q is what? 1, 2, 4, 5 square into M into N. So now this is a factor of this or not? It is divisible, right? So this is also true. P minus Q. P minus Q. If I am writing here P plus Q, tell me P minus Q is how much? Means in each case, 1, 2, 4, 5 is common or not? Therefore, 1, 2 means 1245 is a factor of each case. So which one is the correct answer? Online? Clear? Everyone tell me. Okay? Done? Solve कर दो. Solve this question, right? Everyone? Okay. Huh? Which one? This is? It is 1, 2, 4, 5 into M minus N. M minus N. Got it, everyone? ठीक है. Okay. Huh? Which one is not divisible? Then 1, 2, 4, 5 should not be common. Are you getting my point? Okay. So wherever 1, 2, 4, 5 is coming, what common, that is a divisible. Okay, now clear. If I'll ask you, 5 is a factor of which number? Options are 12, 15, 20. So which one? 5 is a factor of 12, sorry, 15 as well as 20. Why? Because 20 is a multiple of 5. 20 is a multiple of 15 is a multiple of 5, but 12 is not a multiple. So similarly, P plus Q you have seen will come 1, 2, 4, 5 into something. P plus Q into M plus N. Therefore, P plus Q is a multiple of 1, 2, 4, 5. That's why 1, 2, 4, 5 is what? Is a factor. Got it? ठीक चलो over this is tell me everyone here. Next question, which of these number always end with the digit 6? Which of the number always end with the digit 6? End with the digit 6. 6 and above. Which one? How we? Yeah, 2 into factor. 6. See, check karo. Which of these number always end with 6? Now tell me 4 to the power n given. Let us 4 to the power 1 I'll take. 4 to the power 1 is how much? 4. 4 to the power 2 क्या है? 16. 4 to the power 3 क्या है? Is that always ends with 6? No. Now let us do 2. Coming to second option. 2 to the power 1 क्या है? 2 to the power 2 क्या है? 2 to the power 3 क्या है? 8. Is that always ends with 6? No. Now 6 to the power 1 क्या है? 6 to the power 2 क्या है? 6 to the power 3 क्या है? So always ends with 6. Are you clear? So you know the 6 to the power, you have the question 6 to the power n never ends with 0. But this is somehow a tricky question, right or not? So solve this. So 6 to the power n always ends with 6. Got it? Okay. Chalo. Clear? Everyone, bolo. Why 6 to the power n always ends with 6, right? You know 6 to the power n never ends with 0, you can write, right? But which one ends with 0? That's why this is a tricky question. So I have kept here, right? Okay, okay. Everyone ready? Tell me. So are you enjoying today in live session? Hello everyone. Okay, chalo solve karo. ओके ठीक है और भी शेयर कर दो बहुत कम बचा रहे और थोड़ा शेयर करो ठीक चलो let us come to next question. Is this question over बच्चों? So very important, right? It is what not a difficult question but it is a tricky question, right? तमें कौन ना चलो question देख दो अरे हमें तो पढ़ते थे 6 to the power n के एमडी एंड हुए he never ends with 0 but एमडी का question पढ़े ना चलो exam fearness, that is yes or no? So therefore, so now this question is an easy question or not? Tell me. Okay, ठीक चलो. Next, the HCF and LCM of 12, 21, 15 respectively क्या है? Find करो everyone. Simple by factorization method. Simple by factorization method. No other method. ठीक है? चलो find करो. बोलो बच्चों 12 का फैक्टराइजेशन क्या है 12 क्या है 2 square into 3 and 21 is how much बोलो बोलो 21 क्या है 3 into 7 15 क्या है 5 into 3 right so now HCF of 12 21 15 बोलो how much HCF क्या है HCF क्या है product of common prime having least power so therefore क्या है tell me common prime first कौन है 2 is 2 common prime no 3 yes so therefore 3 to the power 1 right 3 what about LCM is this color visible LCM of 12 21 15 what is product of all prime having highest power ठीक है over am I visible बच्चों visible ना ठीक चलो over this question shall we move to the next question bolo get ready okay chalo move to the next question see this question फटाफट answer दे दो फटाफट right okay answer the bells ring at interval of 4 7 14 minutes the three bells ring at 4 7 and 14 minutes all the three rang at 6 am when will they ring together again now see bacho ringing bell this cycle will comes again at its multiple right means bacho which rings at 4 minute one rings other one 7 minute 14 minute right so next cycle for this when it will ring when next at no this 4 1 will ring next when at 8 minutes clear next what what is 4 3 12 minute and 16 minute then 20 24 then 28 minute clear then 32 like this and this 7 minute wala so second time when will ring 14 minute then 21 then 28 this is 28 this is 28 right so therefore when they rang together for next time are 28 this is what this is a common multiple right therefore you have to find what their LCM list huh no this is just I have explained this तो कौन करियो पड़िबो एठी LCM बाहर करियो 28 you'll get LCM so that means if it rang at 6 am next time when it will ring 6:28 am is that clear option 6:28 am okay clear चलो solve कर दो फटाफट solve करो immediately everyone okay moving to next question ready all ओए लिख दे फटाफट ठीक है moving to next question right next question right are you clear this ringing of bell it is coming under LCM or HCF the cycle of ringing of bell coming under LCM got it you should not forget this right so next which of the following statement are correct co-prime numbers are number whose HCF is 1 is that true which of the following statements are correct co-prime numbers are number whose HCF is 1 co-prime kya hai let us watch I am taking now 5 and 9 are the co-prime 5 9 why not तो कौन है Co-prime होची सेई दिटा नंबर जार HCF1 जार HCF1 ताको co-prime कुआ जाए बच्चों. Two such number whose HCF is 1, that is known as co-prime. So therefore co-prime numbers are number whose HCF is 1 is true. Is true. Correct. Is correct. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes or no? All other events are composite. Check karo. 2 के बाद all prime numbers are odd. Yes or no? Yes or no? 3, 5, 7, 9. Is there any other even number except 2? Is a prime number? No. So 2 is the only even prime. Got it? 1 is neither prime nor composite number. True. 0 is a factor of all the number. 0 is never be a factor. 1 divided by 0 is how much? Not defined. Not defined. So therefore, which is correct? Clear? Everyone? बोल दो है कि नहीं? बस. No need to write this question, right? Just for understanding purpose, this is required. Understood now? Which one required? I'll say you solve, right? Nothing is there to solve here. Clear? Okay. बुझिए लगी नहीं? Any doubt? Clear, everyone? Okay. चलो. Let us move to bachcho next question. It is a assertion reason. 3 questions are there. 3 questions. 8 number first bit, second bit, third bit. चलो फटाफट solve करो. Tell me answer क्या है? Right, बच्चों? Online? Everything is going fine? If you are having also doubt, you can say me, right? First question, you can see it is a question from 2022-23, right? First one. First one is what? Ready? Everyone, check karo. If product of two number is 5780, product of two number क्या है? 5780, and their HCF is 17, then their LCM is what? I said you while discussing, I will discuss also what? The concept. So we know product of two number, let us two number is A and B. Here product of two number A into B is equals to product of their HCF of AB into LCM of AB. Clear? Now given product of that two number कितना है? 5780. HCF कितना दिया है? 17. LCM 340. Whether correct or not, how can we say? Let us divide 5780 by 17. If 340 will get, or 17 into 340 check कर तो कितना है? 17 into 340 check कर लो. 17 0 जा 0, 17 4 68. 68 ना? 68 ना? Right? 6 carried, 17 3 51, 51 plus 6 57. Correct? So LHS equals to RHS. Understood? Done. So therefore assertion is true. है कि नहीं? बोलो online. Assertion true ना? What about reason? HCF is always a factor of LCM. True or not? It is true. So therefore assertion correct, reason correct, but not explaining this. It is not explaining. Option B. Option B. As per your CBSE rule, means the assertion reasons options, right? Okay, everyone clear? Bolo. Let us move to next question. Let us move to next question. क्या है? A false. The HCF of two number is 5. The HCF of two number is 5 and their and their product is 150. HCF 5 and their product is 150. Then their LCM is 40. Do you think? Bolo. Now we have discussed product of two number. Let us A and B. Two number equals to LCM of AB into HCF of AB. So now product कितना दिया है? 150 and LCM कितना है? 5. Oh, HCF is 40. LCM is 40. HCF is 5. Is the product of 40 into 5 same as 150? No. So therefore, what about assertion? Assertion is false. Reason: for any two positive integer A and B, HCF into LCM equals to A into B. So it is true. So reason is true, assertion is false, or assertion false, reason true. Got it? Got it? Okay. Shall we move to the next question? Assertion A. HCF is 2347 equals to 1. HCF of. Is that 1? Check karo. How can you check? HCF between these two is 1. How can you check? You have to you divide this one with this. Okay, if there is no common factor, then that is 1. Right, bacho? Tell me 5, 7. HCF is 1. Why? Because while dividing 5 by 7 or 7 by 5, there is not divisible. Right? Okay. So now check karo. 234 divided by 47. Check karo. 47 क्या है? 47 2 3 47 3 देखो 3 7 21 3 4 जा 24 24 2 26, right? Correct na? Okay, no. 3 na? No, 3. Correct. 3 7 is 21. 2 carried. 3 4 ja 12. 12 to 14. 141. Okay, chalo. 5 5. 47 5. 35 3. 5 7 कितना है? 5 4 5 4 20 23. 235. So 235 means definitely we have to use which one? 4, and which is not equals to 234. So therefore it is not divisible. Understood everyone? If you wanted to put 4, 4 7 ja kitna hai? 28. 4 4 ja kitna hai? 16. 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2 na? 188. So is that 0? No. Therefore it is true. There is no common divisor other than 1. Therefore their HCF क्या है? 1. Got it? If this question given two number, their HCF is 1. When HCF will be 1? If there is no common factor. Okay? So common factor और क्या है क्या कुछ? हाँ. 47. And the 47 is what? 47 is that a prime number? 47? Yes. 47 is a prime number, and this is a what? Composite number. Therefore, these two are also co-prime. 47 is what? 47 is prime number, and this is a composite number. So therefore, these two are also HCF is 1 of them, right? Understood? Why did I divide? This is a what? Prime number, and this is a what? Composite number. So if it is a prime number and this is a composite number, if it will be divisible by this, then their HCF will be not 1. Are you clear my question? Ujjwala, like I am asking you, check karo. 3 and 12. We have understood 3 is a what? Prime number. 12 is a what? composite number. If 3 is divisible, 12 is divisible by 3, then their HCF is not equals to 1. Their HCF is that one. Okay. So in case of prime composite, you have to check by dividing. Got it? Okay. But if both are composite, you have to factorize prime factors. Got it? Next. So what happened? What happened then? Assertion is true. Reason. HCF of 2 co-prime. True. And it is also explaining. It is also explaining, right? So therefore, assertion true, reason true, and reason is also correctly explaining assertion. Is that correct? Okay. Chalo. Let us move. Are you clear, bacho? Why did I divide here? Why? Because you see, if you'll factorize 234, it might take time. So in short trick is what? If one is a prime, other one is a composite. So prime matlab iska to do hi factor hai, right? 1 and 47 itself. And if this one will be divisible by 47, then HCF is not 1. Got it? Clear? That means iska 47 ek factor hona chahiye to become HCF other than 1. Okay? Chalo. Next question. Chalo solve karo. Solve this question. Solve everyone. Solve kar do everyone फटाफट. Solve karo. What is the answer? 2 tanker contain 850 liter and 68 liter of petrol respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure this petrol of either tanker in exact number of time. Ediconda, which one will find? I said you bacho ki quantity kya hai? Your quantity is fixed or varies. Quantity means which one? This petrol 850, it is fixed. It is in a tanker fixed. So if you want to find out LCM, definitely it will be multiple of this two, na? Common multiple. Okay, common multiple means more than the tanker. So how? It is not available, na? So therefore, just keep in your mind, when the object is fixed, that time we'll go for HCF. Okay, here the that is what your object means. You are the matter, which one you can say petrol is fixed quantity. So we need a common divisor which can be measured equal amount. So what is HCF? Bro, you tell me. You solve this. You solve yourself, right? Okay, over. So what you can find out? HCF or LCM? HCF. Find kar do. Bas do yourself. This work is for you. Find HCF. That is the answer. 170. 170. Okay. 170 to liter. I don't know. Okay, you said me. But HCF is the answer, right? Chalo. Let us move to the next question. See the question. See, bacho, are you clear how to identify whether it is HCF or LCM? That bell wala question, bell wala. So it will ring at its multiples. So therefore LCM we have taken. But here tanker case, we have taken HCF. Done? Check karo this question. Okay, very good, very good. Lot of students has given their answer 170. Okay. Okay, right? Over. So this case, what we have to do? Huh? What we have to do? HCF. Clear. 3 set of English, mathematics, science books containing this number of books respectively have to be stacked in such a way that all books are stored subject wise, that the higher of each stack is same. Higher means that height of each stack should be same. Got it? So when height, because number of book the fixed na, so when height of each book should be same, that should be a what? Common क्या? Factor. Common factor of which one? All case. Okay. Understood, everyone? So therefore, we have to take what here? HCF, highest common factor. Why highest common factor? You clear? Have to stack in such a way that all books stored subject wise, and the higher of each stack is the same. Okay. And how many stack will be there? So first find out HCF. 336, 240, 96. बोलो 336 क्या? 336 equals to Is that correct, everyone? Is that correct? Is that correct? 3 into 2 to the 4 into 7, 240. 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means how much? 16. 16 into 3 into 5. Right? Here 96 is how much? How much 96? Bolo. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5, I think. 2 to the 5 into 3. 2 to the 5 into 3, right? 2 to the power 5 into 3. So बच्चों HCF का मतलब क्या है? We have to write common prime number having least power. चेक करो 2 कॉमन है क्या? 2 कॉमन है क्या? 2 का लीस्ट पावर क्या है? 4. And what about 3? 3 कॉमन है ना? So 3 का पावर क्या है? 1. So therefore 48. I hope answer you have got. 48 क्या है? Height of the stack. But question पता है how many stacks will be there? So means each book height should be what? 48, right? So now for English, how many stack will be there? For English, that is how much? 336 divided by how much? 48. That is how much? Bolo. 48 na? 7. Done. For English, number of stack would be 7. For which one? That is mathematics. Mathematics books कितना है? 240 divided by its height. Height कितना है? 48. So मतलब 5. Done. And what about science? Science कितना है? 96 divided by 48. That is 2. Done, everyone. So total number of stack would be 7, 5, 14. Right? Add this. 7 plus 5 plus 2, that is 14. 14 stacks should be there, right? Chalo solve kar do. Clear? Clear, everyone? Tell me. So you will not write only 7, 5, 2. Check karo. You will not write only 7, 5, 2. Okay? ठीक है? ठीक ठाक चल रहा है बच्चों? बोलो चल रहा है तो ठीक है, सॉल्व कर दो. So you have to write, yeah, 7 plus 5 plus 2, that is 14. That is 14. Got it? Shall we move to the next question? Prove that root 5 is irrational by contradiction method. कैसे 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 चलो 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 solve it by contradiction method बच्चों. What we'll write? Let root 5 is rational. ठीक है? Which implies क्या? Root 5 is equals to a by b, p by q, कुछ भी लग दो. Where p and q belongs to z, q is not equals to 0, and HCF of p q equals to 1. This much you have to write in square bracket. Understood बच्चों? समझ में आ गया everyone? Which one you have not understood? अरे बाबा PQ, it is a rational, means PQ must be integer ना? If I am saying you 2 by 3, so 2 क्या है? Integer. 3 क्या है? Integer. And Q should not be 0. That is the definition of rational number. Got it? बस. Huh? Yeah, belongs to epsilon, a symbol. That symbol name is epsilon, which means belongs to. You all are belongs from your home. Or we all belongs from India. We are Indian, right all? Okay. Okay, everyone, tell me. ठीक है? चलो. So then after next point क्या है? Next point? No. Okay, squaring चलो कर दो. Squaring both sides. While squaring, we'll get what? P square by Q square, right or not? So now 5 is equals to P square by Q square. Hence, क्या? 5Q square equals to P square. Then it means what? This implies 5 divides P square. 5 divides P square मतलब क्या है बच्चों? 5 is a factor of P square. And if 5 is a factor of P square, then 5 divides P. No need to learn. Divides मतलब factor. 5 is a factor of P square. Got it? So 5 divides P. If 5 divides P बच्चों, then we can write what? P is equals to 5 into K. जो भी कुछ भी लिख दो, R लिख दो, C भी लिख दो, चलेगा. मतलब दो 5 divides P. 5 is a factor of P, so P can be written as 5 into something. That something is K here. Okay, clear? Now what shall we do? Bolo? Squaring on both sides. Let us squaring both sides. So we'll get P square equals to 25 K square. Now this is equation number 2. This is equation which one? 1. This is equation 1. Okay. Let us replace P square by 25K square. Now replacing P square value in where? Equation 1. Not equation 2, but okay. Now from equation 1, what we can write बच्चों? 5Q square equals to 25K square. Hence Q square equals to 25K square by 5. So q square equals to 5 square k square. It means check karo 5 divides q square na. 5 divides what is, hence 5 divides q. Okay, clear, written. Now check karo, you have got, check karo everyone online. So am I connecting you or not? Tell me. Okay, means am I visible, am I audible clearly? Check karo, 5 divides p, 5 divides q, 5 divides p, 5 divides q, means 5 is a common factor of p and q. Okay, nahi? But बच्चों हमें कौन नहीं थिले? What we have taken? What is the common factor of p and q? So now check karo, we have taken the common factor, highest common factor of p and q 1, but we have got kya hai? So it contradict our assumption or not? Tell me. So likho that statement, that is very important right now. Now what 5 is a factor of both p and q, right? Which contradicts HCF of PQ is 1, which contradicts our assumption, right? That HCF of PQ equals to 1. HCF of PQ is 1, right? So therefore, what? Root 5 is not rational. Okay. Therefore, root 5 is irrational directly. Irrational. Right, बच्चों? लिख दो. ठीक है? Clear? बोलो. ठीक ना? Solve कर दो. हाँ? हाँ. अरे B क्या PQ क्या है? So you can take MN also. Clear? Note it down. फटाफट लिख दो. हाँ? Equation 1? No, only one equation, right? Putting the value of p square in equation 1. So that's why we have written from equation 1. Okay? Done, everyone? Shall we move to the next question? Chalo. Over, everyone? Bolo, हाँ बोलो. Okay? Tick. Be yourself. Next question, right? I think, yeah, this is the last question from which one? Real number. Find the largest number which divides 320, 457, leaving the remainder 5 and 7 respectively. Okay? Find the largest number which divides 320 and 457, leaving the remainder 5, 7. What do you have to do? See, Bachu, whenever we are going to find the largest number which divides this and this, this and this, means we are going to find a smaller number than these two. Okay? and living remainder, right? So though living remainder 5, 7, how leave remainder 0? If we'll subtract this one from here and 7 from here, right? How that number leaves remainder 0? Let the largest number be x. Divides 320. Living remainder क्या है बच्चों? 5. And also when x divide 457, living remainder क्या है? 7, right? Okay. Then how it will leave remainder 0 when 320 subtracted from 5 and divided by x, remainder 0 or not? Tell me. Similarly, x when divided by 457 minus 7, living remainder 0 or not? So therefore x क्या है? It is the HCF. The greatest number, h is the highest common factor. So आंसर क्या है? HCF of 320 minus 5, 457 minus how much? 7. That is how much? 315, 450. How much is that? 45 is the answer. 45 is the answer. Okay? Okay. Shall we proceed? Ready everyone? So almost we have completed how many questions? 12 questions from number system, right? Let us move to for some question from polynomials, right? Okay. Before that, concept of polynomial. ये हो गया ना? हो गया ना everyone? Okay, finish करो. We are moving to polynomial. Some questions. Ready? चलो. Polynomial, huh? Now, बच्चों, you know what are the concepts are there in polynomial chapter? What are the concepts? That is relation between coefficient and zeros. Bus only concept is that. And other one, if zero is given, how to write a polynomial. Let you know. What is the general form of a quadratic polynomial? X square plus quadratic polynomial, where a is not equals to 0. If alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, hence a, b, c क्या है? Coefficients. So now what is the relation? Alpha plus beta equals to, and alpha into beta c by, is not it? बोलो alpha into beta क्या है? C by a, not minus, only c by a. This is first concept. Second concept क्या है? If alpha and beta are the zeros, then what is the polynomial? Let the polynomial be p of x. Polynomial equals to what? X square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. And also you can multiply any constant. Right? So you can write k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Is that clear, everyone? This is the concept. This is the only concept. Nothing else. Okay. With this concept, we will proceed right now. Which one? Polynomial. Some 10 to 12 questions are there. Right? Okay. Cubic is not there. Okay. Cubic is not in your syllabus. That's why I have not kept any question from there. Okay. Chalo. Which of the following, question visible? Which of the following is a quadratic polynomial having zeros minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3? Bolo. It is a what? Previous year question. Which of the following is a quadratic polynomial having zeros? Now I said about quadratic polynomial, how to find? Polynomial क्या है? P of x. P of x equals to x square k into, right? K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. ठीक ठीक देखिए बा. We will see. We will check right now. Now check करो. Alpha is how much? Minus 2 by 3. Beta कितना है? So what is alpha plus beta? Minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 0. Alpha into beta क्या है? Minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. That is minus 4 by 9. Got it? Got it? So the polynomial P of x in terms of x given na, x to given na, we will check which one, right? In terms of x given, that's why we can write k into, check karo, k into क्या? X square minus sum कितना है? 0 into x plus product कितना है? Minus 4 by 9, right? So k into x square minus 4 by 9. Is it there? अच्छी की सिंप्लीफाई करिबा. ठीक है, let us simplify it. So simplify करले केता आसीबो? K into by 9. Okay, so अच्छी की है. हाँ, k वैल्यू कुछ भी ठीक है. चलो I am erasing this k. Let us k is 1 by 9 here. K is here. So 9x square minus 4. Is it there? 9x square minus 4. अच्छी की. Fine. Option A is option A. 4x square minus 9. How? Okay, let us see. Now check karo, where is 9x square minus 4? Where is available? K could be anything. K could be anything, bacho. The root polynomial is this. Root means mujhe also the jod means base polynomial. Base polynomial is this one, 9x square minus 4. So anything whenever you multiply, that one will be a polynomial. K does not matter here, right? So though 1 by 9 is not there, don't worry for that. You choose which one is the base polynomial. Base polynomial is which one? 9x minus 4. Clear, everyone? Right? So 5 is multiplied. Done. Chalo solve karo. Solve karo ye question. Solve karo फटाफट. Okay. ठीक ठीक. हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. चल रहा है. Over. Are you solving, बच्चों? Tell me. No. Okay. Let us move. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. If the zeros of a quadratic polynomial 2 and minus 3, then what is A and B? What is A and B? A B फाइंड करो. जीरो गिवन बच्चों. जीरो मतलब क्या है? हाँ अल्फा बीटा जे, but alpha beta given. You will put where in place of x. So that means you have to write बच्चों क्या है ना, p of x क्या है? X square plus a plus 1 into x plus b, right? Now though alpha is 2 and beta is minus 3, those zeros. So while putting zeros in where place of x, the polynomial will become what? 0. 0. So therefore p of 2 क्या है? P of 2 क्या है? 0. So if p of 2 0, therefore 2 square plus a plus 1 into 2 plus b equals to 0. That is how much? 4 plus 2a plus 2 plus b equals to, हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो. Oh, 6 plus 2a plus, ठीक है. Understood? 2a plus b equals to minus 6. Number 1 equation. Number 1. Number 2 क्या है बोलो? P of minus 3 equals to 0. This implies minus 3 square plus a plus 1 into minus 3 plus b equals to 0 ना. So minus 3 square कितना है? 0. Then minus 3a plus b, right, equals to 9 minus 3 क्या? 6 will become minus 6. Is that clear? Is that clear? Let us solve these two questions, right? So it is equation 2. Elimination method apply करो बच्चों. क्या करोगे? ऐड करोगे या सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे? Subtract. B will cancel. If you subtract, B will cancel. Let us subtract now. I am subtracting 1 from 2, right? 2a plus b equals to minus 6. Let us subtract. ये तो minus, ये plus. ठीक है ना? कितना है बच्चों? B will cancel. Minus 6a equals to 0. So a equals to कितना? A equals to 0. Where is a? 0. So option D is correct, right or not? So definitely we will come minus 6. चेक करो ना, 0 डाल दो. A 0 तो B क्या है? minus 6. हो गया कि नहीं? कहाँ पे डाउट है? P2 तो oh minus 5. Oh, this is minus 5. Yeah, this is minus 5. So therefore A to 0 ultimately. Okay. But I have written, yeah, done a mistake. So minus 3 minus 2 is how much? Minus 5 equals to 0. So A equals to how much? 0. If A 0, so B would be what? Minus 6. Put this A value in equation 1. You'll get B is minus 6. हाँ, जो equation हमारे तो दीटा अच्छे, we have only two equations, right? Therefore you have to put either 1 or n 2. Done. चलो कर लो, सॉल्व कर लो. ओके बच्चों, ठीक है. ऑनलाइन आर यू सॉल्विंग? मजा आ रहा है? बोलो. बट वेरी फ्यू आर देयर. हाँ हाँ, you can do that way. That one also by बच्चों, by another way, by the relation also you can find. Okay, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. चलो let us move. हो गया क्या? ओवर. चलो Salvi, Salvi, no, I'm here then. Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, ठीक है, चलो 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 चलो, public demand is next question, ठीक है, चलो, okay, चलो next question बच्चों, alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial this, then the value of alpha square plus beta square is how much? If alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, then alpha square plus beta square, how can you find alpha square plus beta square? क्या है फॉर्मूला? अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर क्या है? अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा. पता है क्या अल्फा बीटा क्या है? अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्या है? चलो डालो एंड फाइंड द आंसर, है ना? चलो फाइंड करो. Who can give me answer? I'll see, I'll read your name also, okay, from the comment. Who will give me first answer, right? Let me see. Huh? Square plus? ठीक है. Anyone? I have not got from the online students, right? Answer. Who wanted to give me first answer? Somya is given. Okay. What is B? Option B is the correct answer. Is that right answer? Alpha plus beta. बच्चों क्या है? Alpha plus beta क्या है बोलो? Alpha plus beta is, you know, alpha plus beta equals to minus B by A. Minus A divided by A, that is plus A by A, which is 1. ठीक है? Oh, A, okay. A is 1. A is 1. I have written this A, right? So that is plus A by 1. That is A. Done. So we can write now this is A square minus alpha into beta. C by A. C कितना है? Minus B by 1. That is minus B. So 2 into minus B, that is A square plus 2B is the answer. Check. Chalo. Very good. Okay, well done बच्चों. Very good. Okay. Chalo. Moving to next question. First easy question means first. Chalo. Check. Chalo. Next question. हाँ बोल दो. A quadratic equation whose roots are this and this. रूट मतलब समझ में आ रहा है ना? ये बच्चों अल्फा है, ये क्या है? बीटा. So how can you find a polynomial? चलो फाइंड करो. फाइंड करो. टारगेट इज 30 क्वेश्चन बच्चों. Only 16 तो ओवर हुआ है. And actually we are in right time because we have started at I think 7:30, right? So almost 16 question we have completed within 1 hour, right? ठीक है. What is answer? Online, who want to give me? आंसर दे दो फटाफट. Just me. Oh, just you. Okay, just you. You are okay. Ready. So A is given the answer. Just me, one of a student who is there, I don't know. ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So enjoy everyone. That's right, I made a live. Okay. So see बच्चों, It is given alpha equals to how much? 2 plus root 3. 2 zeros given. Hey, babu re, ये कहते रे बाबू बीटा कितना सिला 2 minus root 3. So what is alpha plus beta बोल दो. Alpha plus beta क्या है? 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So root 3 cancel. That is 4. That is 4. Alpha into beta क्या? 2 minus root 3. Which identity? A square, 2 square, root 3 square. That is 4 minus 3. That is alpha into beta कितना है? Alpha into beta कितना है बच्चों? 1. 1 है कि नहीं? 1 है कि नहीं? So now polynomial. How to write a polynomial? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Yeah, you want to multiply? चलो multiply कर दो. कहीं तो मन मुँह दुख करी. चलो multiply है गलत हो? है? हमरू तो कुछ पूछना नहीं. So x square check करो. X square minus alpha plus beta क्या है? बोलो भाई alpha plus beta क्या है? 4x plus alpha into beta 1. So कोड़ा अच्छी. So that means what it is asking actually quadratic equation. Quadratic equation how will form by equating with 0. So which one is the correct answer? Okay, done. ठीक. चलो. Very good. हो गया क्या everyone? Over. ठीक है. You completed. Moving to next question, right? Let us see. चेक करो फटाफट आंसर दे दो. Who will give me first answer? ये क्या है? ग्राफ गिवन बच्चों. देखो ना इधर बच्चों. क्या है? The graph of y equals to fx. It's shown in the figure for some polynomial f of x. So the number of zeros of f of x क्या है? 0. पक्का? ठीक है. चलो y 0. Intersect which one? X axis. If you would have intersect y axis, how many zero would be there? If this graph would have been intersect which one? Y axis. Then how many zero would be there? Where is my stick? Huh? So you are playing with me, right? Okay, let us. This question should solve by. Want to solve? Okay, चलो आजा. कैमरे पर भांग दो. Sit. Okay, come. You might not visible there, right? Okay, so let's all first one solve. First one. Keep silence. Wait. Solve both these two questions. Right? Chalo. Let him to solve. Everyone, those who are online, right? Are you able to understand? No doubt. Target कितना है बच्चों? Target everyone 80 out of 80, right? Get ready. Let me see how much he's getting. Alpha he has taken 6. Find which zeros are these. फटाफट करना. प्लस अल्फा बीटा. ये माइनस कहां से आ गया बे? ये प्लस कहां से आ गया? सेकंड हो गया. Solve everyone. I will not solve this question, right? Solve कर दो बस. Let us only tell me whether Dhara is doing correctly or not. The sign तो दे. हाँ बे बबुआ, ये तो -18 है. Why did you write +18? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. चलो इधर लिख दे, इधर लिख ऊपर में. बस कितना आ गया रे? k into x square plus 3x minus 18. ठीक है, ब्रैकेट तो क्लोज कर. क्या यार, ए ठीक है, ओवर एवरीवन. चलो let us move to the next question. Over it is. And find the zeros of this polynomial. How to find the zeros of a polynomial? By equating the polynomial with zero, not middle term, right? That is by equating the polynomial. Means x square plus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. So क्या है? Sum product is -12, sum is 4. क्या है number? क्या 62. X square plus 6x minus 12 equals to 0. X is common. X plus 6 minus 2 is common. X plus 6 equals to 0. So x plus 6 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to -6, x equals to 2. Answer, right? Ready everyone? Chalo, next question. Chalo. Moving to the next question, bachcho. See this. Solve karo. I am taking 2-3 minutes rest. You solve this. Rest not, that is break. Okay, now ready, everyone. I have taken a 2-minute just break. Okay, that's why it is not audible to you. Now audible na, everyone. Take. See this question, bachcho. A rainbow is an arc of colors, right? That is visible in the sky after rain or when water droplets are present in the atmosphere. Yes, that's true or not? The color of rainbow are generally red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. that is Vivio, right? Each color of the rainbow makes a parabola. Parabola is the graph of quadratic polynomial, right? We know that any quadratic polynomial can be written in this form: x square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. Got it? Represent a parabola on the graph. Done. Based on the above answer, the following questions. The graph of the rainbow y equals to f of x is shown in the figure. Write the number of zeros of the curve. कितना जीरो है रे बबुआ? कितना? Why 2 zeros? It is intersecting the x-axis. You know, this is y-axis. Y dash. This is x dash. Intersecting x-axis are 2 points. Therefore, 2 zeros are there. Done. Chalo. If check karo. If the graph of rainbow does not intersect x-axis but intersect y-axis at one point, then how many zero will we have? Already I have asked same question in previous question, right? So if it would ask only y-axis, then number of zero is 0, because graph does not depends upon zeros, not graph. Zeros does not depend upon the graph's intersection with y-axis. Okay, check. Chalo. Next, if a rainbow is represented by the quadratic polynomial p of x is this, whose zeros are 2 and minus 3, then find the value. I think you have solved this question, right? Same question we have solved. But check karo, same question you have solved. Bus, you have solved previously. A equals to 0 and b equals to minus 6. Where you have solved? Which question? This question? X square plus a plus 1 into x plus b though. X square plus a plus 1 into x plus b. We have solved already this question, right? So I hope clear this one. This is a which question? Case based. Done. Let us moving to the next question. Solve karo. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial x square minus x minus 2 from a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this. Okay. Form, not from. Form a polynomial. Form matlab you have to write a polynomial whose zeros are this two. चलो लिख के बताओ फटाफट बताओ. ठीक है? Are you solving? Let me text your parents that they will come where at when 9:30, right? ओके ठीक है. हो गया क्या ये क्वेश्चन? हे बाबू ये हुआ क्या? फास्ट. First solve karo. Where are you finding the zeros of this? You can find that, or else without finding also you can find. Without. Check karo the new polynomial, which one will form. Question is asking form a quadratic polynomial. Let the new polynomial be p of y. P of y. मुझे लगी p of y is the new polynomial. And p of y's zeros are what? क्या है? Alpha dash. I'm writing alpha dash is बच्चों 2 alpha plus 1 and beta dash क्या है? 2 beta plus 1. Got it? P y's zeros. P-wise new polynomials zeros. Now बच्चों, for forming this polynomial we should write the sum of zeros as well as product of zeros. Sum of zero क्या है? Alpha dash plus beta dash क्या है? 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1. 2 alpha plus 2 beta क्या है? 2 into alpha plus beta plus 2. Got it? मिला कि नहीं? So बच्चों, alpha plus beta क्या है? अरे बाबू, alpha is the zeros of this ना, beta is zeros of this. So alpha plus beta क्या है? Minus क्या है? -1 and minus will be there. Alpha plus beta है. Alpha plus beta का वैल्यू क्या है? -b by a. है -b by a ना. So here -b by a कितना है? -1 by 1, that is +1. Okay, +2. So that is 2 plus 2 क्या है? 4. Alpha dash plus beta dash. Alpha dash into beta dash क्या है? Find करो. 2 alpha plus 1 into 2 beta plus 1. ठीक है? Okay. You can write by multiplying. It is just like a formula बच्चों. X plus a into x plus b. Check करो. X is 1 here. Do you remember formula? X 1 is x plus a into x plus b. What is the formula? X square means 1 square plus a plus b means 2 alpha plus 2 beta. 2 into alpha plus beta into what? X means 1 plus alpha into मतलब a into b. A into b मतलब 2 into 2, 4 alpha beta. So therefore it would become बच्चों 2 into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta का वैल्यू क्या है? 1 plus 4 into alpha into beta. Alpha into beta क्या है? ये alpha plus beta, right? ये क्या है वैल्यू? C by a. चेक करो C by a बच्चों क्या है? C by क्या? -2 by 1, that is -2. Done. So -2. Got it? Got it? Plus 1 तो था, लिख दो. So 2 minus 4 2 जा कितना है? 8 plus 1. Any mistake बच्चों? 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 क्या? -5. Check करो. For the new polynomial, sum of zeros मिल गया, product of zeros मिल गया. So polynomial मिलेगा कि नहीं? चलो लिखो polynomial p of y equals to y square minus alpha plus beta. मतलब इसका अल्फा क्या है? अल्फा डैश बीटा डैश. सम ऑफ जीरो कितना है? 4 into x y here, y plus alpha dash into beta dash -5. Therefore y square minus 4y minus 5. How many of you got this? Is that correct बच्चों? चेक करो. Okay, those who have done correctly, so क्या है? कुछ तो thumbs up, कुछ तो दे दो. ठीक है? Done. Okay, very good. But I am expecting some more participants, so you can also share your friends, right बच्चों? ठीक है, चलो. Okay, done. Shall we move? More 10 questions left. ठीक है? Shall we move? Proceed to the next question. Proceed. Over. चलो. Okay, you can review further right at your home. No matter, right? You will get this. Chalo. This question comes from where? Like linear equation in two variable. Pair of linear equation in two variable. Chalo, let us solve कर दो. Let us solve कर दो. Okay, solve करो बच्चों, solve करो. And bachcho, target for tomorrow. Don't forget. Target for tomorrow. That's why I made it this live, right? 80. নহলে কাটি দেবি গলা ठीक है होगा कि नहीं बच्चों बोलो ठीक चलो फर्स्ट एग्जाम योर्स दिस इज आई थिंक राइट ठीक चलो लेट अस सॉल्व करो ब्लू कलर है हाँ प्लेस A and B are 100 kilometer apart on a highway one car starts from A another from B at the same time if the cars travel in the same direction at different speed they meet in 5 hours if they travel towards each other they meet in 1 hour what are the speeds of two cars पढ़ो ध्यान से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन let me drink some water right don't write you'll get in YouTube okay so time exactly time is 1 hour 30 minutes after 20 seconds right 1 hour 39 minutes and what is 25 seconds it is now right now going on so you get that right ठीक है चलो look at here समझो क्वेश्चन A B two places A B two places 100 kilometer apart on a highway so distance between A and B is how much बच्चों 100 किलोमीटर समझ में आ गया डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए बी क्या है 100 किलोमीटर राइट ये पार्ट ओवर हो गया ठीक ये वाला पार्ट ओवर नाउ one car starts from A and another from B at the same time means both has been started at the same time if the car travel in same direction at different speed same direction means let us both are moving right side right means which direction this side same side in this direction okay both are having different speed we will choose the questions what we will assume what is asking question check karo what are the speed of the two car we'll assume that those speeds are different so we will assume let the car starts from A speed is x kilometer per hour speed of car started from A is how much x kilometer per hour which started from B how much y kilometer per hour though both are traveling in a same direction they meet after 5 hours they meet after that means bachcho car started from A traveled how many hours 5 hours traveled how many hours 5 hours let us after traveling 5 hours car started from A reached at point C reached at point C after how many hours 5 hours means travel time T travel time by car started from A equals to 5 hours right and traveled also started from B the car started from B travel time kya hai equals to 5 hours clear so A car reached at point C after 5 hours B also reached after 5 hours where at point C why because they meet in 5 hours so their meeting point where bachcho C they had a meeting there बुझिए ना so ये भी 5 hour cover करा मतलब distance travel करा this one also traveled for 5 hours now बच्चों tell me it is speed given it is क्या given time given है okay speed into time क्या है distance that means distance traveled by car started from A is what बोलो बोलो 5x distance traveled by car started from B is how much? 5y. ठीक है ना? তাহলে बच्चों A रू C distance তাহলে কেতে 5x, B रू C distance কেতে তাহলে AC is 5x, BC is 5y. Now AC minus BC क्या है? AC minus BC, AC minus BC, AC minus BC क्या है? AB ना? It is case 1 equation. Case 1 ताले कौन पहुंची? जितना both are traveling in same direction. Both are traveling in same direction. That is case 1. तो मैं ताले इतने के लिए क्यों? For case 1, speed of car A this much, speed of car B this much, and travel time for car A is this much, travel time for car B, and distance traveled by car A, distance traveled by car B. So this is case 1, and the case for case 1 equation is means equation number 1 is this. Equation क्या है? बोलो बोलो. 5x minus 5y equals to 100. So this implies 5 is common. X minus y बच्चों क्या है ना? 100. So x minus y क्या है? 100 by 5 is 20. 20. This is number 1 equation. We got from case 1. We got from. Is that clear? बस लिख दो. ये वाला लिख दो. It is case 1. It is what started from here. Case 1. Case 1. Case 1 speed of A, B, travel time A, B, distance covered by A, B. Done. Then equation of case 1. हो गया? हो गया? है कि नहीं? बोलो. हो कि नहीं? Very good, very good. Anjali Misra. Okay. ठीक है बच्चों, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Very good, well done. Solve करो, solve करो. So I have got only one student. Anjali Misra has given the answer right. That is 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour. What about others? ठीक है. Okay, okay, done. Let us move to case 2. Case 2. Shall we move to the case 2? Hey, Babu, case 2 dekho re. Hey, look at here. Case 2 is saying, see, check karo. Case 1 is over which one? With this. Case 2. If they travel towards each other, I'm erasing this side, right? Erasing, and I'm drawing this figure again. That means, bacho, here is A, here is B. If they travel towards each other, means A car will move towards B, B will move towards A. For how many hours? 1 hour. Okay. Now speed of A is how much? X kilometer per hour. And B का क्या? Speed. Y km per h, right? Now travel time क्या है? 1 HR. ये क्या है? 1 hour. Done. So distance क्या है? X. Distance क्या है? X. And क्या है? ये क्या है? Distance is how much? Y. Now after traveling 1 hour, what is question given? After traveling 1 hour towards each other, कौन कॉल है समझे? Meeting कॉल है. Where they meet? After traveling 1 hour, wherever they have reached, there they have started their meeting and eating. Okay, ठीक है. चलो 80 पहुंच गए. बच्चों देखो, बुझिए ना. So let us, the point is what? D. Point D is what? Meeting point. ठीक है. Now इक्वेशन क्या आएगा? ये कौन सा केस बच्चों? केस 2. So therefore case 2 का क्या है इक्वेशन? x plus y, this distance x, this distance y, so total distance क्या है? 100. समझ में आ गया ना? लिख दो इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इक्वेशन 2, इक्वेशन 1 क्या था बच्चों? x plus y, x plus y ना? how much? x plus y, x minus y, right? x minus y, x minus y equals to 20. चेक करो बच्चों, ये दोनों इक्वेशन क्या करेंगे? ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट? ऐड कर दो, y कैंसल, 2x equals to 120, so x equals to 60 km for h. Done. ठीक है. Now find the other one. If x plus y is 100, x is 60, y would be how much? 40 km for h. Means गोटे लीटर पेट्रोल पकेले बच्चों कहते हैं 60 नहीं, इधर 40 किलोमीटर बुझला? ठीक है, हो गया. ओवर. चलो shall we move next question? ठीक है, चलो बस ये सॉल्व करो, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. सॉल्व करके दिखाओ बच्चों. Let me see will be fast from there. Text me. हाँ, I don't know which question you find. ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? Obviously case based questions, right? चलो फिनिश करो फटाफट. ए ठीक है, गोइंग ऑन ना? हाउ इज द जोश बच्चों? So more, how many minutes? Required 30 minutes. 30 minutes more, right? हाँ. चलो फिनिश करो. जोश ठीक ठाक है कि नहीं? बोलो ना. उड़ गया, सो गया कितने? सलाई सॉल्व. तुम दोनों हो गया कि नहीं? बोलो. Two schools M and N decided to award prize to their student for 2 game of this is what, volleyball, right? This is volleyball, right बच्चों? Volleyball rupees X per student, and football Y per student. बुझिएगा? Means both the school has been decided कि for student those who are playing what, volleyball, they will award X rupees, and those who are playing football, they will get how much? Y rupees per student, right? Means as a prize. School M decided to award a total of 9,500 for 2 games to 5 and 4 students respectively. बुझिएगा? Understand? Clear? So 5 and 4 student means 5 from where? Volley and 4 from football. Got it? While school N decided to award 7370 rupees for two game to 4 and 3 students respectively. Based on the above information, solve the questions. Represent the above information algebraically in terms of xy. बच्चों x क्या है? ओ तेरी x क्या है? प्राइज गिवन फॉर वॉलीबॉल प्लेयर. ठीक है ना? चेक करो. Two equation comes from two school. M school for M school first equation, for N school second equation. So now check करो school M equation क्या है? 5 for school M will give 5 to volleyball player, for how many students from football? 4 player. So 5x plus 4y equals to 9500. Done. M equals to nahi baba. N school, right? So N school kaun karibo na? So it will provide how many? 4x plus 3y equals to 7370. Done. Bas ho gaya na first bit. What is the prize amount for volleyball? चलो सॉल्व करो. प्राइस अमाउंट फॉर वॉलीबॉल कौन सा अमाउंट है? x वाला. सो फाइंड x, you'll get that. You solve, I will not solve. Price amount for which the game is more and by how much? Means x will find, y will find out which one is more, which one is higher, which one is more, by how much you have to find. By how much? It's your work, right? What will be the total prize amount if there are 2 students each from 2 game? Means 2x plus 2y you have to find. Okay, chalo, you'll get this question at when 1 hour 55 minutes, right? And you'll solve at your home. Chalo, okay, let us move to the next question. Here is important formation of the equation, nothing else. Then after solving, you know, right, bacho? Check karo this question. Who can solve this? Solve करके दिखाओ. फटाफट solve कर दो. Okay. ठीक है ना? Let us solve. चलो आंसर दे दो. Then after I'll solve. Okay. More 15 minutes. We will wind off exactly 9:30. Whatever the question will be over, right? Okay. हो गया ना approximately 30 questions. 25. कितना? 22 only. और तेरी. ठीक है. ठीक है बच्चों, ठीक है. Okay. Okay. Everyone. Salvi, Prashita. ठीक है, चलो चेक करो बच्चों. x plus y कितना है? a plus b. Now ax minus by given how much? A square minus b square. Let us do it by elimination method. Elimination तो which one you want to eliminate? B को कर दो eliminate. ठीक है? So for eliminating b, you have to multiply how much with this? B. चलो लिखो bx. No. हाँ plus हाँ ठीक है plus by equals to ab plus b square. Is that clear बच्चों? Let us क्या add या subtract? Add कर दो. Add कर दो. Add हो गया तो cancel हो गया. So now x is common, a plus b. ठीक है? Equals to. अरे बाबू b square तो cancel हो गया ना? Oh, a square plus ab. A square plus ab. So x into a plus b equals to a common a plus b. So बच्चों a plus b cancelled. X equals to a over. So b क्या है? Sorry, y क्या है? चेक करो. X a है तो a will be cancelled from both sides. So y would be directly b. चेक करो, replace कर दो ना. A put over here, right? So therefore y would be a cancel. Y equals to b. Clear everyone? बोलो हाय सर. ठीक है चलो. ठीक है over this is over everyone. चलो let us move to the next question. चलो ठीक है बस this question solve कर दो. ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दो बच्चों. हाउ क्या? नो. Elimination will apply, but boss, when you will use that one, whenever you see the coefficient of x and y same in different equations. चेक करो ये x का कोएफिशिएंट ये y सेकंड इक्वेशन में y का कोएफिशिएंट सेम है कि नहीं? राइट? दैट टाइम ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. ठीक है ऐड कर दो व्हाटएवर यू आर गेटिंग. चेक करो. ओके ऑनलाइन इज दैट पॉसिबल? सॉल्व करो. ठीक है आर यू सॉल्विंग? अरे ऑनलाइन यू आर अटेंडिंग ऑनलाइन क्लास. लाइक का कम ही आ रहा है रे बच्चों. ठीक है ओवर. अरे बाबू ओवर हुआ कि नहीं? ठीक है चलो. ओके ओनली 10 minutes left बच्चों. वी हैव टू कंप्लीट मोर क्वेश्चंस और 2 क्वेश्चंस. चलो फटाफट. ये ओवर हो गया क्या? कितना है आंसर? 71x plus 37y equals to 253 and 37x plus 71y equals to 287. चेक कर दो क्या है? एडिशन. लेट अस ऐड देम. हाउ मच यू विल गेट? 718 ना 73 108 plus 108 equals to 540. पक्का? ठीक है ये तो y है. 108 into x plus y कितना है? 540. so x plus y क्या है? 540 by 108. so that is x plus y क्या है? 5. Number 1 equation. While subtracting, let me subtract here directly. So while subtracting, how much you'll get? 34x minus 34y, right? Equals to minus 34. ठीक है, चलो. So now 34 is common, बच्चों. X minus y equals to minus 34. So therefore x minus y equals to minus 34 by 34. So therefore x minus y equals to minus 1. मिल गया कि नहीं? इक्वेशन 2 बोलो. ये तो 1 है, ये तो 2 है. मिल गया कि नहीं? बोलो. मिला ना? So let us find x and y. How much? X plus y equals to 5. X minus y equals to minus 1. Let us add them. Add कर दो, y cancel. So 2x equals to 5 plus 1. Sorry, 5 minus 1, right? So 5 minus 1 is 4. X is 2. X 2 है तो y कितना है? y तो 3 होना चाहिए. ठीक है ना? चलो, ऑनलाइन हो गया. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है बच्चों. नेक्स्ट. चलो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओवर. दिस इज ओवर. एवरीवन ओवर. अबे हुआ कि नहीं ओवर? कौन सा नहीं निकला? 13 माइनस 7 कितना? ये 3 ना. 3 मतलब 13 माइनस 7 कितना है? ठीक है, ओवर. Shall we move next question? नेक्स्ट क्या बोलो? पहले तो सब्ट्रैक्शन. 7 माइनस 3 बोल दो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट. चलो सॉल्व करके दिखाओ. सॉल्व कर दिखाओ. चलो ये वाला क्वेश्चन देखो. Given the length of a room exceeds its breadth by 3 meter, right? If length is increased by 3 meter and the breadth is decreased by 2 meter, the area remains same. Find the length and the breadth of the room. Okay. Length x, breadth y. Chalo. You have to take let the length. Length क्या? अबे length कितना है? Breadth कितना है? y मीटर. ठीक है. चलो, according to the first statement क्या है? The length of the room. Length मतलब l, l मतलब x. X minus y equals to 3. Number 1 equation. Number 1. If x minus y is 3, length x, breadth y. What is the area? Area I am writing here. Area क्या है? एरिया क्या है? एक्स वाई बच्चों. एरिया क्या है? एक्स वाई मीटर स्क्वायर. एक्स वाई मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन चेक करो सेकंड वन. If the length is increased by 3, if the length is increased by 3, that means at case 2, right? Length would be x plus 3. For second case, ये तो case 2 है. Case 2. ये क्या है? Case 1. Case 1. Breadth क्या है? y minus 2. But area क्या है? Remains unchanged. Means length into breadth means x plus 3 into y minus 2. xy है कि नहीं? According to the question. So equation 2 क्या है? x plus 3 into y minus 2 equals to xy. पता है? ठीक है कि नहीं बोलो? ओके, नेक्स्ट सॉल्व कर दो ये वाला. x into y, xy, x into minus 2 minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to xy. So बच्चों cancelled xy xy. So left minus 2x plus equals to 6. ठीक है ना? इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इक्वेशन 1 एलिमिनेट करो. करो एलिमिनेट. क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना बोलो? मल्टीप्लाई क्या करना है? चलो 2 टा मल्टीप्लाई कर दो ना. हाँ ठीक है. सो 2 into x क्या है बच्चों? 2x. इक्वेशन 1 into 2 राइट. इक्वेशन 1 into 2. 2x minus 2y equals to 6 है कि नहीं? क्या ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट? ऐड कर दो. ऐड कर देने में 2x is cancelled. So 3 minus 2y is y. y equals to 12. 12 क्या? ब्रेड्थ. ब्रेड्थ 12 है तो बच्चों चेक करो लेंथ कितना होना चाहिए? 15. तो क्या है रे बाबू? आंसर नहीं है क्या? आंसर इज सी बच्चों. x is 15 मीटर. मीटर. Don't forget to write the units, and at last you write therefore length is this, breadth is this. When the long question, but though it is a short question, directly you have to write. Okay, over everyone. Over. Chalo, last question we'll solve. Okay, is this over? Over. Okay, yeah. So more questions are there, but okay, time is not there. Okay, so just I have rapidly gone. You can check the questions, right? Okay, only few questions left. You can go through that, bacho. Now we are solving which one? 22, right? So I have gone rapidly. You can check that, right? Or once again I am moving slowly. Okay, bus. Okay, so our last question is this. We will solve which one? This one. Chalo solve kar do. Do you remember consistent, inconsistent? ठीक है. चलो लिख दो. आंसर लिख दो. This is the last question बच्चों, right? Okay, everyone. Everything fine or not? Tell me. Okay, चलो solve करो. Find the value of k. Oh, find the value of k for which this equation are inconsistent. Inconsistent बच्चों कब होता है? बे कितने बड़े inconsistent हुए? Parallel मतलब condition क्या है? हाँ? V1 by V2 equal. अब यार. When inconsistent, that is not equal. C1 by C2. Okay, so find karo. Therefore A1 is how much? 1. A1 is 1, right? 1 by 2. Oh sorry, 1. Huh? हाँ. K V1 क्या? Sorry, 3 by K. Okay, is not equals to how much? minus 4 by 12. Minus 4 by minus 12 or minus 4 by. Okay, ठीक है. So therefore K equals to क्या? K equals to 9. Okay, ठीक है ना? चलो. Okay, over बच्चों. So bye bye and all the best for tomorrow, right? Question? I have there what moved na. You will get that from the video. ओके सब क्वेश्चन आसीबो ना एडी अरे बाबा आई हैव स्क्रॉल दैट वन हां बस यू गेट दैट हां ठीक है बच्चों टाटा बाय बाय राइट